Welcome to Moss Garage, man. This is episode number 2. It's just another test video. Made some mods to my GoPro and the holder and the way this happens or whatever's going on right here, so that you could hear me, because you couldn't hear me before. So I just wanted to keep you up to date with what I got going on here. 1993 LX Mustang. Back window. Yep. As you can see, the only things I've really done right now is I put new wires and new plugs, and I got to go through and change the fluids because it's been sitting for quite some time. And then this guy, plus all this damage I got to fix. I already have the fender here in the garage. And I have the inner fender, outer fender, splash guard. I'm still waiting on a radiator core support, and I have a front clip, a lead on one anyway, so we'll see how that goes. Also got 3G alternator for the upgrade, so that'll be its own episode. And I have mass air. I have a cold mass air, so we'll do an episode on that as well. And I will be removing this entire AC system and installing it into my 1991 sitting here in the garage. So that will be a fun episode as well. And of course the other, little minor things, new tires and stuff like that, blah blah. New headlights, but we'll go through all that as time goes. So anyway, again, this was a test video just to see how it come out, and if you could actually hear what's going on and hear what I'm saying and see what I'm looking at and what I'm dealing with right here. Till next time.